Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn with me. In our last video, we have talked about return statements and print statements or function. In today's video, we'll be talking about a very important aspect in Python, which is dictionaries in Python. Now we will see how to print dictionaries, how to print the items in dictionaries, how to edit them, how to create empty dictionaries, and how to loop through dictionaries. But first of all, let's give you guys the overall structure about dictionaries, and then I'm going to explain what does a dictionary mean. Okay? So basically, this is a dictionary I have made by using my syntax. It has variable, colon, and data. The loop, colon, and data. We will print, edit, create, and loop through that. First of all, as we have taken the learn about lists, arrays, it's an empty list which has 1, 2, 3, 4 number of indexes, number of indices. Every index has something like 1, 2, 3, or let's say America, London, things like that. Okay. Now the dictionary aspect is different. It does not has one single element in each indices. Nope. It has two things. Okay. So the first of all, let's show you the syntax. Okay. A dictionary has a variable name. It has curly braces. So dictionary equals to curly braces. It has two things. It has something on the left and colon something on the right. So what is the thing on the left and what is the thing on the right? On the left, we have key. And on the right, we can have values. So what I mean by that, I can put a key and then we separate each item from the dictionary with a comma. We can say key equals to value. We can say number equals to something. Number equals to boolean. So each of the keys and each of the values could be any object types. Could be string, could be integer, could be boolean, could be float number, anything. But it's like a dictionary. You can have, for example, variable name and then add its variable name and its data. Okay, we can say is mature true. So if it's more than 18, we can say is mature is true. So a dictionary could be data with value and key pairs in every single indices. Now, how do we print items from the dictionary? We can say programming dictionary. Okay, and then we open brackets, and between those brackets, either we can say, as we have said earlier, 10, anything, but that's the key value. So here we will loop, and we are going to print this to see what happens. As you can see, after giving it the key, it gives us the value. Now we can edit it by using this format. We can say programming dictionary or whatever the name that you have, loop equals to, and we can change it to, for example, changed and lost. And now we print this. So it has the same key, but it has changed the value. Now when we print the whole dictionary, it gives a dictionary format with key and values, key and values. We can create empty dictionaries as well. We can say new dictionary equals to open curly braces, and that's it. So this is our empty dictionary. We can say new dictionary name as if you're manipulating it. Okay. So we can say new dictionary and give it a key name that is not there equals to the data. So it will search. If the key name is there, it will give you the key name. If there is no key name there, it will create a new key name and save it. As you can see. After that, let's talk about looping through our dictionaries. Let's say we have 50 keys and 50 values. We can loop through them as well. For example, let's say for key in programming dictionary, we can say print f-string key, and you can say value programming dictionary. So what we are doing is we are printing the keys as well as the values. So that is it for today. I hope that you got a basic understanding about dictionaries in Python. They are very important thing whenever you are learning about higher concepts. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed or learned something, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.